Dad,
Don't touch it, please.
a trophy.
Don't touch it.
A trophy.
Don't touch it.
Oh, cute.
It's so cute. Oh, there we go. So when we bought this trailer, the awning was thrashed. It wasn't even usable. It was being held on to the trailer with a wire. So we have a new awning. This will be fun. Well, Mackenzie, can you push pause? Well, after trying to read the instructions for a bit and getting super frustrated, I'd take a break and research it on YouTube and found out that I'm not the only one.
Daddy, yeah.
Yeah, babes. So I'm gonna wing it and just put it together, and it's pretty basic, so
Oh, what's it?
yes, honey. There we go. Well, it's done. It works. And it was not fun. But now we have shade. Right, babes? Where are you? There you are. Well, thanks for sticking with me. Probably next time you see me, we'll be out camping. See ya.